When we ask what is the matter complained of, comma, and inquire into it, comma, it must be borne in mind that it is not worse than what savage tribes practice among themselves, comma, or towards one another, semicolon, thou, comma, by the way, comma, we do not for a moment defend wanton barbarity, full stop, on the part of civilized man towards savages who for the first time come under his control, full stop. Unhappily, comma, this is always more or less an incident of the contact of civilized and savage man, full stop. If we cannot see all the way to a better state of things, comma, we may at least anticipate some of the advantages which civilization should in the end be able to bestow, comma, on the one hand on the native population, comma, and on the other hand, comma, or on the other side, comma, on itself, full stop. In the first place, comma, or in the first instance, comma, exploration affords a healthy subject of interest, or the more adventurous spirits of all nations and adds additional chapters of interest to the story of the world, full stop. In the second place, comma, new markets are opened for commerce, comma, and new fields for the exercise of ability, full stop. In the third place, comma, regions are opened up which may be of much value as an outlet for the overgrown population of other regions, full stop. In the next place or in the last place, comma, colonization is a hopeful part of that onward march of humanity, comma, in which all have the deepest interest, full stop, close.